Good morning. Elvis, he can go back to his mom. Woohoo! No, please. Okay, I have to help. I have to put off your halter. Come here. Oh. Okay, I had to help with my other hand. Tie it on. And he looked very happy with his ears forward, but now he don't. I think Blomke en Boukje? I'm not for sure. That's Bella? I can't see it, sorry. Hey Peach. Hello. Hey. Hey Peach. Well, we go back to the stall. Braaf, super. Rijntje, Dolly, Elvis, Sally. And here's Reisy. Hey, Reisy. Hey. And he's here because Bouke and Rob were cleaning the stalls. They put him in this stall. Behind is Sally. And here are Tyrone and Rijntje and Dolly. And they are totally in love. Hey, Reisy. Elvis. Goed zo, Daisy. En Maren. Nou, let maar sjemmaskist. Nou, ga maar wat stappen. Langzaam. Langzamer. Goed zo, super. Daisy, Glendy, Peach, hey Elvis, hey Dolly, Rijntje, Rijsie, Tyrone en Sally. Over there, the sheep. Hello. It's getting darker, so we don't see that much, but they can go inside. Oh, Sally. Hey, Rijsie. I saw something. Kom eens, Rijsie. Kom. What did you do? Hey. I don't know. Hey, Rocky. Hello. Oh. That's what I mean. Okay. No. I don't know if you can see anything. Hey. Kom eens. Next. Rijntje. Hey. Goed zo. En Sally. Sally? Whoa. What's that? Oh, she don't mind. Tyrone? Kom eens. Ty loves you, but Tyrone also? I don't know yet. Okay, Elvis is back to Sally's stall again. And I wanted to show you what Sally teaches him. To poop in the back. That's perfect. Just like Sally. There aren't a lot of horses who do it like that. So it's really perfect. When we look at Rijntje and Dolly, Yeah, it's getting better also. Yeah, okay. But sometimes here in the straw and there and there. And I think, why? Just do it here. It's much cleaner. Hey. And Reisi. Everywhere. No, it's not his best job. Over there and there. Just do it in a bag. It's much cleaner. We have less work of it. Hey. Well, there's a lot of straw in his mane. So that means he lied down. Good so. How's your eye? Yes. Oh. Nothing. Good so. Oh, hello? Hi. I thought I'm going to ride this horse. Okay. It's Sally. I thought I want to ride her again. This summer the kids had a holiday from 6 weeks. And after that I thought I am going to ride again on Sally. But then I broke my arm. So I couldn't for 5 weeks now after the holiday. Yes. So I thought, now I'm going to ride. Finally. Hey, Rocky. Hey. So we shall see. Dolly. Reintje. Reisi. Goed zo. Okay, I just walk here and Sally thinks it's very scary. Goed zo. Here are the fillies. Look. That's Yveske, Belle, Boukje en Blomke. Hey Blomke, it's your mom, Sally. Come on. Braaf. Goed zo. Braafje. Goed zo. Braaf. Thank you. Kom. Goed zo, Sally. Hey. Goed zo. Doe maar. Braaf. Hey. Goed zo. Braafje. Goed zo. Braaf. Sally sees everything. Hey, goed zo. And I saw something too. It's gross. Oh, over there. It's a mouse. But I really don't know how. I really don't know. Rocky? What are you doing? How? Yeah. Maybe that's why I found the mouse. Rocky is a boefke. Okay. Reisi? No, please. No. Stay here. Come. Okay, I thought it would be better. Ik ken het goed in Engels uitlezen. Kom maar. Misschien herkent hij Nederlands weer. Ik dacht, ik doe Reisi vast los. En dan doe ik het hek open buiten. Maar dit was niet de bedoeling, Reisi. Goed zo. Taai eraan. Elvis en Sally. Nee, Elvis. Hey, jongen. Rocky? I thought I give the fillies some extra hay. And they saw me. But I'm not for sure they understand how they come here. Yeah, maybe Yvke. No. Okay. Then you can have it later. And Blomke stays there. This morning I saw a mouse somewhere here. And when I was eating in the house, yeah, there it is, I think. Over there. But when I was eating, I saw a torenvalk, a kestrel. And he goes there, sit down or something, and he ate another mouse. Now I know why there is a mouse. It's not because of Rocky, because he can't come there. So, I know it.